Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Moko. I have been looking for a vegan cookie recipe for so long, and finally I found this recipe. It looks so good, and it looks like this, but I just don't know why it turned out to be like this. Anyway, it tastes absolutely delicious. I did really change a little bit of the original recipe because it's way too sweet. And this is a recipe for vegan, so everyone can taste it. I use coconut oil instead of butter. Though it doesn't look as good as the original recipe, but this cookie is definitely delicious and you really have to try it. Anyway, if someone knows why my cookies turn out to be like so liquid, please leave the comments down below to let me know some tips. I will be really appreciate. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Bye!